Hi and welcome to Cebuano News.
SRB Field Corp, Gardenia, Island Creek, Bidwar. We would also like to invite everyone to witness the grand finals of the Lapu-Lapu Got Talent tonight at the Liberty Shrine, Mactan at exactly 7 p.m. And for Kadaugan Food Festival until April 30. And for the reenactment of the Kadaugan or ang makasaysayong usay Bisaya sa battle. Panagsangka ni Lapu-Lapu Magellan this coming April 27 at the Liberty Shrine, Mactan. And we will also be having sadsad sa Kadaugan on April 27. Gabi na siya. Wala na mo treat. Okay. So good news for all our finishers now. We have 3 lucky winners for an overnight stay at Belmont Hotel. Not just one. Tulo ang makadaog o mustay sa Belmont Hotel nga naa sa atong 2 p.m. 12, 6, 9, 3, 12, 6, 9, 3. Congratulations. There you go. I can see a hand. There you go. Congratulations. You just won dinner for 2 at Sheraton Mactan, Cebu.